Spots in my brother. Me and my brother, we sit up in bed doing. Warms your nose up, that does. Hot food. We're sitting at the table, and my dad wants milk in his table. And my dad wants milk in his table. And my dad wants milk in his table. And my dad. Quiet, please.
We sit down to eat, and the potatoes a bit hot, so only put a little bit on my fork and I blow till it's cool, just cool, and then do the math. Nice. But my dad, what does he do? He stuffs a great big chunk of potato in his mouth, and then that really does it. Cause that's how he flaps his hands, he blows, he pops, he yells, he bobs his head up and down. He spits bits of potato all over his plate, and he turns towards and he goes, watch out everybody, the potato's a bit hot.